Stop. Do not say, I am agree. This is wrong.
But Nano, everybody says it.
I know, and everybody is wrong. Today, we will learn 10 English mistakes. 10 mistakes that people make every day.
And number 10 is very special. Even good English speakers make mistake number 10.
So stay with us until the end.
Okay, Nano, let us start with number 1.
Number 1. I am agree.
Why is this wrong?
Because agree is a verb, not an adjective, so we do not use am.
So what do we say?
We say, I agree.
I agree. Simple.
Yes, I agree with you. I agree with honey. Very easy. Number 2. Open the light.
Oh, my friend says this every day.
In many languages, we say open the light, but in English, a light is not a door.
So we do not open it?
We say turn on the light and turn off the light.
Turn on, turn off.
Very good. Say it with me. Turn on the light. Very good. Number 3. I have 25 years.
This one is very common.
In English, we do not have years. We are years old.
So we say, I am 25 years old.
Yes, or just I am 25.
Nano, how old are you?
That is a secret. Number 4. Informations.
With an S?
Yes, many people add an S, but information has no plural.
So no S.
Correct. I need some information, not informations.
Same with advice?
Very good, honey. Advice also has no S, and furniture, and money.
Wow, okay.
Now, a small test. I will say a sentence. You find the mistake.
Ready.
Please give me 2 informations.
The mistake is informations. We say some information.
Perfect. And remember, number 10 is coming. It is the biggest mistake of all. Number 5. Let us discuss about the plan.
What is wrong?
The word about, we do not need it. Discuss already means talk about.
So we say, let us discuss the plan?
Yes, short is better. Number 6. Return back.
Return back?
Return already means come back, so return back says it 2 times.
Like repeat again?
Exactly. Very good. Just say return, just say repeat. Number 7. I am here since 2 years.
Oh, this is my mistake.
Use for with a time period. 2 years, 5 days, 1 hour.
I am here for 2 years.
Even better. I have been here for 2 years.
And since.
Since is for a starting point. Since Monday. Since 2020. Number 8. He is my cousin brother.
I hear this a lot.
In English, cousin is enough. A cousin is not a brother.
So just, he's my cousin.
Yes, and for a girl also. She is my cousin. 2 more, and number 10 is the biggest one. Number 9. How much is your age?
That sounds strange.
We ask, how old are you?
Short and easy.
Yes, never say how much for age. And now, number 10, the mistake even good speakers make.
I'm ready.
Yes, I did not.
What?
Listen, someone asks you, you did not eat? Many people answer, yes, I did not eat.
Oh, because in our language we say yes.
Exactly. But in English, yes must go with a positive and no must go with a negative.
So the answer is, no, I did not eat.
Perfect. Yes goes with did, no goes with did not.
This is a big one.
Yes, this one confuses many people for years.
No, say the first one again.
I am agree.
No, I agree.
Very good. You learned it. Now, practice. Write in the comments. one sentence with I agree.
And we will read your comments.
See you in the next lesson.